So in this video, we're going to decorate this beautiful heart cake with you. So I had a client who wanted to do a cute heart cake for someone in her life, and she wanted it to be really colorful but also really simple at the same time with the message standing out. So we started out with doing a chocolate flavor for the heart cake on the inside. That's her favorite because she's a regular client of mine. Then I went on to cover it with a vanilla buttercream. I wanted it to be nice and white. I then went along and piped a shell border along the entire heart cake to help give it that little pronunciation of a heart design. Once I'd piped the shell border, I went ahead and did a little bit of plain design on it, just a pearl kind of a look to add the first layer. I went around the whole cake. I didn't really use a nozzle for this because it was just a simple pearl drop, so I went ahead and cut my piping tip to create a normal pearl design. I then started out with doing the heart in the center. I used a little cookie cutter to mark my heart, and this took me a really long time, so I've shortened it here, but one by one I put a lot of gold sprinkles to give that heart design. So eventually it created the center space for me, and this way I could put all the colors around it more easily and more precisely. Once all the sprinkles were placed together, the heart kind of came together. This took me quite a while to do, so I fast forwarded it there. I then went ahead and added in 2 shades of pink. So I started out with a lighter pink and then did a darker pink for the insides of the heart. I kind of wanted them to just look very pretty, so I just went ahead and piped straight lines. Once the baby pink was done, I did the dark pink so that it would look really pretty. And then she wanted this pista green kind of a color, so I created a very light pista green and went ahead and piped the whole thing there as well. She wanted this to look really elegant with a cute message in the center, so it was more about getting the piping really aesthetic than anything else. I really loved how this turned out, but you guys tell me what you all think in the comments. The client was also really happy with this cake, but let us know in the comments what you all think, and if you all want to see more aesthetic decorating videos or tutorials. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more of our content. Once the pista green was done, I added in some white buttercream in here just to kind of fill in the gaps and make it look more pretty. And once the white was all done, I added the cute message that they had on, and I painted that in gold as well.